Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 35. So today we will write a blog, ready to write. Activity 3, write a blog about adventure camp. So as you notice here, so this is a blog template. So maybe you can try a blog by Google. So blogger.com, you can go there and then register an account. And then maybe you can log in with your Gmail and then you can create a blog. So this is just an example. So this is a website and not Blogspot by Google, so you can try it your own. So the format to write a blog, so you can write as you may refer to previous pages. So on the mind map on 33, page 33, or the notes on page 34. So now I will start to write the date. So as 11 May. So if you don't have clue, you can refer again my video on page 33 and 34. So this is the date, 11th May. And then we start a new line here. So hi, my name is Eric. And then welcome to my blog. And then right now, I'm at adventure camp. So I'm at adventure. So A is uppercase. So adventure. Camp. C uppercase. So in Braga. So this is a place in Malaysia. So Braga, near Semenyih. And then it's really wonderful. So remember, as you write the essay, you may need to, you can get a dictionary of thesaurus. Thesaurus, you can try your own and then you find the synonyms that you can use. So wonderful, exclamation mark. And then I'm with my friends. So their name, David and Justin. And then we have done lots of exciting things like kayaking. So you can explain further. Set inside a tiny space. A tiny space was undeniably so undeniably, same meaning with very. You can sometimes broaden your vocab. So undeniably, undeniably uncomfortable. And then, nevertheless, it was amazing. But I was a bit scared too. And then you can have a new line here. So another activity that we experience was the flying fox ride. And then flying, so I put quotation mark. Because human cannot fly, so I put quotation mark here. Flying above the ground was truly fun. So truly also same meaning as very, so you can again broaden your vocab. So truly fun. I am feeling nervous. Because, so remember, write in full, not BCOZ or something else. Because I have never done this before. So exclamation mark. And then the last paragraph. So what a fantastic day. So what a fantastic day. I would like to So I would like to experience. So there are 4 E here. So 4 E's here. So remember to check your spelling. I would like to experience more adventures. In the future. So that's it for today. So before I end this up, so you can basically take all this for activity 4, and then number 5, activity 5, you can rewrite the block in your notebook. Use the points in activity 4 to improve your work. So this is totally up to you or up to your teacher. So that's it for today. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 35. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can also watch the related videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my diagram robot that I developed.